Crispy chicken, a sweet and tangy sauce, and simple ingredients you probably already have in your home. In this video, we'll show you how to make chicken in Peking sauce that's every bit as good as your favorite takeaway, but fresher, healthier, and more affordable. This classic Chinese restaurant dish comes together in around 30 minutes using easy to find ingredients. Welcome to our kitchen, where we show you that good food doesn't need to be difficult, expensive, or need tons of space. Let's get started. Begin by trimming any excess fat from the chicken thighs. Cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Now add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, two teaspoons of Shaoxing Wine, half a teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of white pepper, and the egg white from 1 egg. Mix well until everything is evenly combined. Set aside to marinate while we prepare the remaining ingredients. To make the sauce, combine 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, a tablespoon of light soy, a quarter cup of tomato sauce, a quarter cup of stock or water. We're using water. Mix until smooth and well combined. Next, finely mince 3 cloves of garlic. With our preparation complete, it's time to cook. Place a pan over medium heat and add about 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add the chicken pieces, making sure they're spaced apart to prevent sticking. If your pan isn't large enough, cook the chicken in 2 batches. Leave the chicken undisturbed for 2 minutes, then turn the pieces over and cook for another 2 minutes, or until a light crust forms. If some pieces are thicker than others, tilt the pan slightly and rotate the chicken to help cook the sides evenly. Remove the chicken from the pan and let it rest for 2 to 3 minutes. Once rested, return the chicken to the pan. You'll notice the crust slightly softens during this time, and that's exactly what we want. The second fry will remove any excess moisture and give the chicken its signature crispy texture. Continue cooking until the chicken is golden brown and crispy, then remove it from the pan. Using paper towel, carefully remove most of the excess oil, leaving a small amount behind to cook the garlic. Add the garlic and cook for about 30 seconds or until fragrant. Pour the sauce mixture into the pan and bring it to a gentle simmer. Cook it until the sauce thickens slightly. Now return the chicken to the pan and toss until every piece is evenly coated in that glossy sauce. And there it is, our chicken in Peking sauce. A takeaway favourite that's easy to make at home in around 30 minutes using simple, affordable ingredients. Well, thanks for joining us, and remember, you're welcome in our kitchen anytime.